Hello guys, Joster here. Welcome back to the channel, and today's video I have a new projector from Dangbei. This is the new Mars Pro 2. It is a 4K laser projector rated at 2400 ISO Lumens, HDR10+, Netflix support, Dolby audio, 3D support, and it has an amazing picture. So let's start with a quick unboxing and then we'll move on to my experience using this projector. Welcome to the channel, I'm Joster, and let's do this! Well, first of all, this projector is very similar to its previous model from Dangbei. It is made of plastic and aluminum, and it feels a bit heavy and premium. Here in the front, we have the projector lens and the sensors for autofocus and auto keystone adjustments. On the sides, we have grills for ventilation and speakers. In the back, we have a couple USB ports, 2 HDMI ports with eARC for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X audio, optical for audio, LAN for internet, and power port. At the bottom, we do have a mounting bracket for tripod or ceiling mount. And then right here on top, we have the touch power button and an IR sensor. I love the black glossy finish on this projector. It looks really nice. Setting up the projector is easy and intuitive since it is now using Google TV operating system. I think Google TV is the best operating system for projectors because it is fast, reliable, easy to use, and it has all the popular apps available, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, HBO Max, and many more. Now, this projector is also loaded with features like autofocus, which automatically adjusts focus for the best picture possible, or you can also do it manually. There's also keystone correction, fit to screen, and zoom. Now, all these features are super helpful when setting up the projector for the first time, or if you want to take it to a different location. This is what they call a lifestyle projector. Now, I'm using a 100-inch screen size here in my small office, but I'm only able to produce an 80-inch picture size since I don't have a lot of space, and the projector is sitting at around 8 feet from the screen. So you don't need a lot of space to project a picture. You can go from 60 inches up to 200 inches from just around 5 meters away from the screen. Now, I don't have the size of screen available here, but I do have a 150-inch cine-wide screen, and the picture still looks amazing. Danbei recommends to stay between 80 inches up to 120 inches, but honestly, the picture looks very sharp and colorful at a 150-inch, since this is a 4K projector and is also very bright. Now, the Mars Pro is rated at 2450 ISO lumens, so the picture can get very bright even under ambient light or even during daylight. Now, here I have the lights turned on and you can see the picture still looks great. But of course, projectors perform better in a dark environment. The colors look natural, they're not oversaturated, but they are vivid and well balanced. Now, this is perfect for movies and HDR content if you like to have natural colors and skin tones. There's also HDR10+ support. Now, this is similar to Dolby Vision, which is a dynamic HDR format for better colors and shadow details. Unfortunately, there's very limited content available in HDR10+. Mostly you will find it in Prime Video, like the new Fallout series, which I highly recommend, and the picture looks fantastic. It is very bright with excellent black levels and vibrant colors. I hope to see more support for HDR10+ in the future. Now, going through the settings, this projector offers 4 picture presets and you can also customize your own. I usually use movie mode for movies because colors are well balanced and it has this warmer tone that I like. You can also adjust the brightness, which is set to standard out of the box, and I think it's bright enough, but you can increase it by switching to high performance. But the only problem with this is the fan noise. It will be highly increased, so I do recommend to leave it in standard. Another great feature is the sound. Now, there are 2 10-watt speakers built in and the sound is rich and clear. There are 4 sound presets, but movie with surround turned on is my favorite choice. You can also use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker and listen to music from your phone, which I think is a great idea since this projector sound is amazing. But for the best experience, I suggest to connect to a full home theater system and enjoy Dolby Atmos or DTSX through HDMI eARC port. There are other basic features like smart eye protection, projector mode, dust removal, MEMC for smooth motion on movies, and 3D support. To activate 3D, you have to go to Google TV settings, then go under picture and go on the 3D mode and select Blu-ray 3D option. The 3D on this projector is one of the best I've ever seen. The picture looks sharp, very bright and colorful. I'm a big fan of 3D movies at home on projectors, so I'm really glad to see 3D support on this projector. I'm a gamer and I love playing single player games on projectors, and fortunately there is game mode support on the Mars Pro 2. I can play my games at 4K 60 with HDR and enjoy the beautiful environments at my own pace. The gameplay is more immersive and I think it's just more fun on the big screen. Colors look rich and gameplay feels smooth and responsive, which is important when gaming. Finally, I like the controller. It's simple, easy to use, responsive. It has direct buttons to YouTube, Netflix and Prime Video, and there's also voice commands. I think Danbei is delivering another fantastic projector with this Mars Pro 2. My only complaint so far is that it looks very similar to its predecessor. I mean, the design looks just the same as a 1080p, so I wish I could see something different, you know, just to distinguish the Pro from the 1080p. Regardless of that, I think this is a fantastic projector. I mean, it has an amazing picture quality, great sound, 3D support, gaming support. The only thing right now is that I don't know the price. This is a pre-production model, so I don't have any information about the price, but I know Danbei is about to release this projector. What I'm going to do is as soon as they officially release it, I'm going to post the information on our community post right here on YouTube. But I'm thinking this is going to sell roughly $1,500, maybe $1,600. I don't know, but as soon as it becomes available, I will post it right here for you guys. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this kind of content, I will suggest, or it will be really helpful for me if you leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I noticed that like 90% of the people who watch my videos are not even subscribed, so if you are one of those, subscribe to the channel and I will truly appreciate it. Thank you guys, I'm Joster, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Joster out!